Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your stock selection with Zacks Investment Research, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zacks Investment Research website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account to access the full range of tools. Familiarize yourself with the Zacks rank system, which grades stocks from strong buy to strong sell. Navigate to the stock screening tool. Select the criteria that matter most to you, such as sector, market capitalization, and price-to-earnings ratio. Use the Zacks rank filter to focus on stocks rated as Zacks rank number 1 or number 2. Explore the stock reports section for in-depth analysis of individual stocks. Read the detailed research reports that include earnings estimates, price targets, and expert opinions. Take advantage of the free daily newsletters, which provide insights and recommendations. Consider using the portfolio tracker to monitor your investments and track performance over time. Utilize the earnings calendar to stay updated on upcoming earnings reports. Review the Zacks industry rank to identify which sectors are performing well. Participate in the Zacks community forums to share ideas and strategies with other investors. Regularly revisit your stock selections based on the latest data and market trends. Adjust your portfolio as needed, utilizing Zacks tools for ongoing investment decisions. By consistently applying these steps, you can effectively upgrade your stock selection with Zacks Investment Research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.